In today's lesson, in the Measures of Center, we are looking at the mean or the average of a data set. Again, we're looking for one number that will identify the center of multiple data points. For the mean, it's a little bit more time-consuming than the mode and the median. Step one is to add all of the numbers together. Then divide by the number of numbers. When we add this data set together, we get 262. We're going to divide by 8 because there are 8 numbers in the data set. 262, there is a typo there, divided by 8 should give you 32 7/75. Hint, he is the mean one because he makes you do all of the work, adding up all the data points and dividing them. So, mean. Find the mean for each of these data sets below. First, add the numbers up. 6 plus 8 plus 5 plus 9 is 28. Then divide by 4 because there are 4 numbers in the data set. Our mean is 7. Add the 5 numbers in the data set together. 4 plus 12 plus 9 plus 6 plus 4 gives us 35. Divided by 5 because there are 5 numbers in the data set. Our mean is also 7 for this data set. Add the numbers up. 2 plus 5 plus 7 plus 2 plus 3 plus 5 gives us 24. There are 6 numbers in this data set. 24 divided by 6 is 4. The mean is 4. Add 5 plus 11 plus 2 plus 5 plus 6 plus 8 plus 9. Divide by 7 because there are 7 numbers in the data set. The mean should be 6.57. Not all means give you exact whole numbers. Sometimes you'll have decimals and sometimes you'll have fractions. Remember, to find the mean, you're going to add all the numbers up and then divide by the number of numbers. So when we add this data set up and then divide by 9, we get 76 divided by 9, which is 8 with the decimal point 4 repeating. Remember, to write a repeating decimal, you draw a line over the number that's repeating. Add your numbers together. Divide by the number of numbers, in this case 8. 59 divided by 8. 7 decimal point 375. Again, you have 6 more problems to solve on your own. When you are finished with them, take a picture of them and submit it within Schoology for your assignment.